Let's start recording. Can you hear my voice, students? My
Yes,
voice.
clear, clear.
Okay, so topic is today's topic is in the last class we finish up to here. Yani this table we finish in the last class. Today's class we will start with this definition of worldview. Okay, so this comes maybe for 1 marks question. What is worldview? Worldview yani when you create any jadid model. So what you will do at that time, you will take one real world. Okay, so that is known as worldview. Yani when you want to create a model, yani when you want to create a simulation, so you will adopt a real world orientation. So that is known as worldview. This is definition only. Next. This is very important part. Lazim this understand all student. If Mafi understand, then another question because after this we have numerical question. If this Mafi understand, then numerical question also not understand. Here, this is single channel queue. Single channel queue. Number one is system state. In system state, LQ, LQ, LQ yani wait line. बादेन LS, LS, LS यानी सर्वर, LS यानी सर्विस. Okay, so if service equal to 0 यानी meaning as service equal to 0, then what is the meaning, students? If LS यानी सर्वर फादी, सिफर यानी फादी. Understand? If service equal to वाहिद यानी meaning as यानी सर्वर मशगूल, यानी इन सर्वर वाहिद कस्टमर मौजूद. Understand? यानी meaning is if ls equal to सिफर यानी meaning is server फादी. If ls equal to वाहिद यानी meaning is ls यानी server मशगूल. This understand or no? Students, I think.
Again, please.
Okay. The thing is ls, ls यानी server. If ls equal to सिफर then meaning यानी server फादी, सिफर यानी फादी. If ls equal to वाहिद यानी busy. So same. Tell me here if ls equal to वाहिद यानी meaning as
Busy.
it is busy. If ls equal to 0 यानी meaning as
Yeah, it's free.
free. This is number one. Now number two, LQT. LQ, I told you, LQ यानी इंतजार सफ. If इंतजार सफ सिफर यानी meaning as L
Free.
यानी इंतजार सफ माफी कस्टमर मौजूद. If LQ equal to वाहिद then meaning as
It's busy.
busy यानी इन द इंतजार सफ वाहिद कस्टमर मौजूद. If it is equal to 2 then what is the meaning? यानी इन द इंतजार सफ इतने इन कस्टमर मौजूद. Understand or no?
Wait. Yes, understand.
Okay, so same here. Tell me what is LQT equal to सिफर यानी ऐश.
Available and no customer waiting.
No, yes, very good. LQT equal to सिफर यानी meaning ऐश.
Two customer waiting.
Yes, all students understand? LQT equal to zifar. Uktub message, anything? All students? Okay. Okay. So this understand. This class. Now entity. Entity yani in the system there is two important thing. Number one is server yani lazim server. Another important thing yani customer. Two things. Server and customer bus in the system. Next. Event. Event A यानी दाखिल यानी arrival, D यानी departure, E यानी stopping event. Now tell me, if I will look to A8, what is the meaning? A8, A यानी
Eight,
arrival वक्त यानी
eight, yani
arrival at the giga 8. Very good. If I look to D ashra, what is the meaning?
depart 10.
Departure at the giga 10. Okay, so this is the meaning. Event, arrival finish, departure finish, and stopping event.
Islamic event.
Stopping event like this, E50 yani the system hada yani stop. So system stop at 50 the giga yani at the giga 50 system stop. Understand? So arrival, departure, E mumkin no small question. Next, same this यानी A खमसा यानी the arrival at खमसा, D इतनेन यानी departure at इतनेन, this E60 यानी system गफ्फल at दगीगा 60. Understand all student up to here? Any problem, anything, any student? Okay. Now activity. Activity मुमकिन inter arrival work, मुमकिन service work. Already you studied in chapter number 2, inter-arrival time, service time. Okay, these are known as activity. Next is delay. Delay yani intezar saf, the customer time in the intezar saf, yani how much dagiga he maujood in intezar saf, that is known as delay. Okay, so these are the important term that is known as modeling simulation using event scheduling. Okay, Wahid system state, entity, event notice, activity, delay. So these are all. Now next, this table diagram. Now tell me, hada ls equal to Wahid yani meaning ash. ls equal to Wahid. ls equal yani
Server
fee
alarm.
service.
Service
Yes,
busy.
yes, server busy yani रो है ना. If server busy yani you dakhil in the server yani in the system and server mashgul, what you will do? You dakhil in the server system and server mashgul, then what you will do? Intezar. Yes, same thing. Intezar yani hina, intezar yani lq, intezar saf yani lq. So lazim lq plus wahid nafar. Understand? Same hina. यानी you दाखिल into the system, server equal to वाहिद यानी server मशगूल, then you row into the इंतजार saf increase वाहिद यानी +1. Understand or no?
Yes, understand.
Okay. यानी you दाखिल in the system, server मशगूल with वाहिद customer, so if मशगूल then you have to लाजिम इंतजार यानी अव्वल कदीम इंतजार सफ मौजूद, now plus वाहिद नफर in the इंतजार. Now तानी condition, you दाखिल into the system and ls equal to 1 माफी यानी server माफी मशगूल. So what you will do? Yani you will dakhil in the system, server fadi, then what you will do? Tell me. You dakhil in the system. Yes, alatul go to server. Yes. So you dakhil in the system, ls equal to 1 mafi, then alatul you go to server, alatul go server, yani now server equal to wahid. Same here. Understand or no? Yes, ls equal to 1. Next, this very easy. Delete this kullu. Hina calculate service waqt. Hina calculate inter-arrival waqt. Hina calculate this. Hina return control. Bas. Understand or no? This is any diagram. This diagram for the nafar who dakhil into the system. So for dakhil, there lazim itnain condition. Condition number wahid, mumkin server mashgul. Condition number itnain, mumkin server fadi. So if mashgul, then lazim intazar. Intazar yani hada LQ equal to 1. If system fadi, then alatul row to the server. Server yani ls equal to 1. After that, calculate service वक्त, calculate interval वक्त, calculate statistic, return control. Yes. So same diagram lazim in exam. Question how? Question like this. Draw diagram for this. Okay. Now Tani diagram. This diagram for when customer go, when customer leave, or customer exit. So when customer go from the system, what we will do? Yani when any customer go from the system, we will shift the intezar saf. If intezar saf मौजूद, yani hada server hina wahid nafar मौजूद. Now this wahid nafar go. Now hina intezar saf. Now customer go from the system and intezar saf fi customer मौजूद. Then what we will do? Tell me.
Waiting.
Again. Yani hina mafi dakhil. Hina the customer go from the system and in the intezar saf customer मौजूद. Then what we will do? Hada mafi dakhil. Yani hina jadid customer mafi dakhil. Hina only server mashgul. Now this customer row. Now and intezar saf customer मौजूद. Then what we will do?
Go.
Go as how? Yani we will shield wahid nafar min intezar saf and go to server. Sawalala. Yani we will LQ equal to minus wahid. Yani min intezar saf shield wahid nafar minus 1. Yani min intezar saf you have to shield wahid nafar and go to server. Understand or no? Yes. Okay, now Tani condition. When customer go and intezar saf hina mafi customer मौजूद, then what we will do? Customer go, intezar saf mafi, then what will happen? Yes, yani alatul server will fadi because mafi customer, mafi intezar saf, system fadi, server fadi. So server fadi yani hai, server fadi yani ls equal to 0. Okay, so same here, ls equal to 0. But then this same hina calculate service वक्त, hina calculate this, hina this delete this, return control, bus. Okay, so this is the diagram when customer go from the system, yani execution of departure event. This itne diagram understand wala maafi? All students lazim same diagram uktub in exam. Yes, student. Students. Okay. Now we will show another thing. Okay. This very important question. Comes a mass question. This service वक्त, interarrival वक्त, arrival वक्त, time service begin. Wait. So yeah, I will take water. Okay, after this. Okay, students. This service time मौजूद in exam. शोफी ना service time 414324. Same. 414324. Next. Inter arrival work. Inter arrival work for customer वाहिद always dash. यानी you have to start from Tani. यानी first you have to keep it blank. This is very important thing. Other student, maybe all student will do khata in exam. Inter arrival वक्त is मौजूद अव्वल dash बादेन start. Okay. So here arrival वक्त this dash यानी सिफर. सिफर प्लस 8 कम ही ना 8 plus 6 come. Tell me. 8 plus 6 come. Wahid student, open calculator and tell me. Open calculator and tell me. Wahid student.
6
हाँ
plus 8.
हाँ 6 plus 8 14. Okay, तो 14 plus वाहिद यानी 15. 15 plus 8 come.
33.
23. 23 plus तलाता यानी 26. 26 plus 8 यानी कम हदा कम 34. Okay. This understand or no? All student how to calculate this chapter number इतने in how to calculate arrival work.
It's
Now,
like chapter 2, huh?
yes, let's same chapter 2. Time service begin. Time service begin. Customer number वाहिद automatic सिफर. सिफर plus service time कम अरबा यानी सिफर plus अरबा यानी अरबा. हिना अरबा दा की जदीद arrival वक्त 8. So कबीर यानी 8. बादेन 8 प्लस सर्विस टाइम कम वाहिद यानी कम 9. हिना 9 हिना 14 कबीर यानी कम 14. बादेन 14 प्लस कम टेल मी 14 प्लस 4 यानी कम 18. हिना 18 हिना 15 हिना उक्तुब कम 18. Yes, Kabir Uktub. Yes, 18 hina plus kam
plus 3
yani 21 hina 21 hina 23 uktubesh
21
23 always uktub Kabir greater
yes.
number
18 plus
23
21
yes 21 hina 23 hina 23 and 21 Kabir yani 23 uktub hina 23 time service begin yani 23 plus 2 come 25. Now tell me hina 25 hina 26 hina uktubesh 26. Now hina 26 plus come
2
plus 2 la plus arba
4 yes sorry
yes plus arba yani 30 hina 30 hina 34 hina uktubesh
34
34 हिना 34, हिना माफी मालूम, then kullu माफी मालूम. Understand? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this table understand or no?
Yes, it's
Very
like
easy. Yes, say chapter 2. Chapter 2. Okay, now this very important table. Okay, you will start from arrival वक्त. Tell me arrival वक्त is 0. उक्तुब हिना 0. When you are at 0, departure at कम दगीगा. Tell me. यानी finish at दगीगा अरबा. So उक्तुब अरबा. And जदीद arrival कम. जदीद arrival.
8.
जदीद arrival 8. यानी मीनिंग इज व्हेन यू आर एट अराइवल लाजिम उक्तुब डी, लाजिम उक्तुब ए. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग.
D mean
व्हेन
departure.
डी मीन डिपार्चर, यानी दिस सेम टाइम सर्विस एंड और मुमकिन डिपार्चर सेम मीनिंग.
Okay. Time save.
व्हेन यू आर एट अराइवल लाजिम उक्तुब डी, लाजिम उक्तुब ए.
And if
Now
is shorter for what?
we will show. Okay, this is number 1. Now hina shuf, this is arba, this is 8. Sagir yani esh? Small.
4.
Number 4. So uktub hina number 4. If number 4 finish, bagi yani esh?
8.
8. So uktub this same a 8. Now next yani come.
Service time 1.
Nahi, hina uktub come.
8.
Hina uktub 8. Now tell me 8 a wala maafi.
Arrival
8 यानी अराइवल. शूफ हिना 8 यानी अराइवल. सो इफ अराइवल लाजिम उक्तुब डी, लाजिम उक्तुब ए. नाउ टेल मी डी कम.
D1.
ला D9. शूफ हिना D9. هذا अराइवल, हिना डिपार्चर यानी 9.
Oh, timer set.
Ta-
Okay. 9. Yes.
तानी अराइवल कम हिना.
14.
Yes, 14. Okay. Now min hina sagir yani esh?
9.
9. If 9 finish, bagi yani esh?
14. 14.
Okay. Now uktub kam hina?
The second
Hina uktub 14.
14 yes.
Yes. 14 yani again arrival. If again arrival, lazim uktub. Now tell me departure come.
18.
Yes, very good. Other 18. Arrival come. Tani arrival.
14.
Again show.
15. So
15. Now Sagir yani come.
here 15.
Yes, Sagir 15. Now show 15 arrival wala maafi.
No, no.
Fee arrival. Show na A15. A yani arrival. Okay. So no problem. A 15 arrival yani lazim uktub D.
I confused.
Lazim uktub A. Anyone student, please open mic in Arabic. Explain, because I explain English, no problem. But open mic and explain Arabic. Anyone who understands? Yeah, any student, open mic, explain Arabic. Anyone?
Yes, doctor. When you speak Arabic, I don't understand because.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So no problem for me. English I will speak because I think like most of the students understand the Arabic. Okay, now the thing is, when you are at arrival, yani A15, when you are at arrival, you have to write down the departure. You have to write down the departure and what is the next arrival. So same, if you are at time 15, then you have to write down the departure. The departure is at time 21. See, this is 15, same at departure yani 21. So here you have to write 21 and next arrival yani after 15 the next arrival is 23. So you will write here 23. Understand or no? Now this 18 remaining, so you will write D18. Okay, so this is the thing. Understand or no? Again see, yeah, I think one student don't understand, no problem. Start from 0 again. 0 is arrival time. So if you are at arrival time, you have to write down the departure and next arrival. So here write D, here write A. Departure at what time? Departure at 4. Next arrival yani after cipher, next arrival is at time 8. So you will write 8. Min hina sagir yani small is number 4. So you will write number 4. So when you write number 4, you will see it is departure or arrival. 4 yani departure. So departure no problem. Remaining A 8. Now next you will look to 8. You will write down here 8. If you write down here 8, 8 is again arrival. See here 8 arrival. So when 8 is the arrival, then finish 8 finish at time 9. So you will look to D, you will look to write down A, you will write down D. D meaning is 9, and next arrival after 8 is 14. So you will write here 14. Okay. 9 and 14, the small one is 9. So you will write here 9. So if you write here 9, remaining is A14. Now next you will write 14. Where galam? You will write here 14. So when you write 14, yani, it is arrival. So arrival yani you have to write departure and next arrival. So departure at 14 yani it is D18 and next arrival is 15. Now here you see 18 and 15. The small one is 15. You will write 15. So when you write 15, 15 is again arrival. So if again arrival, then you will write down D and A. So tell me at time 15, next arrival is 23. So uktub 23 and departure at 15, departure yani 21. So here you will write 21 and min hina 18 bagi, 18 remaining, you will write D18. Understand or no? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now tell me here 18, here 21, here 23. Small one is, what is the small number?
18.
18. 18 arrival wala departure?
Departure.
Departure. So departure no problem. Here uktub 18. Departure no problem. Bagi is, what is the remaining? Remaining is
21 and
D21 and A23. And A21, A23, which one is small?
departure. D21.
So 21 again departure, then no problem. Bagi Ash, Bagi A23. Now Uktub Ash, next Uktub 23. 23 yani come arrival wala departure?
Arrival.
Arrival. If arrival, you have to again Uktub D, again Uktub next arrival. Now tell me at the Giga 23, what is the departure?
30.
At the Giga 23, what is the departure?
25.
25, yes. Uktub hai na 25. And Tani arrival?
26.
26, very good. Now here, which one Sagir?
Departure 25.
25 departure. Bagi come 8:26. Now next uktub come 26. 26 yani arrival.
Alright.
Arrival yani uktub tani departure
Departure.
and next arrival. So 26 yani departure, 30 arrival yani hada 34. Understand like this? All student understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now yes. Okay. Now here bagi LQ bagi LS. LQ yani intezar saf yani waiting time. So what will happen? LQ yani waiting line. Now shuf arrival work 0, starting work 0, 0, 0, no problem. 8, 8, no problem because start 8, start 8, no problem. Hina shuf 14, 14, start 14, start 14, no problem. Hina shuf 15, hina 18, yani dakil at 13, 15, yani enter arrival at 15 and start at 18, yani hina fi intezar, hina waiting time. So what will happen? Yani add the giga 15. At the giga 15 uktub wahid because hina intezar. Tanishuf 23, 23, no problem. 26, 26, same, same. 34, 34, same, same. So here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, all 0. Okay. पता नहीं. Understand students?
Yes.
Yani
Clear.
if anyone waiting then 1, if Mafi waiting 0. Now next ls. This ls very easy. Hina you have to shuf if arrival departure मौजूद uktub wahid. Now shuf here da both मौजूद uktub wahid. Hina only arrival मौजूद सिफर. Hina arrival departure kullu मौजूद uktub wahid. Hina arrival uktub सिफर. Hina departure arrival both मौजूद uktub wahid. Departure arrival मौजूद uktub wahid. Hina again wahid. Badin hina सिफर wahid सिफर wahid. Understand or no? Yani if
Yes.
in the list uktub. Okay student, this table understand all students because this table 5 marks.
Yes.
Now we will show this I will do fast. Okay, now I will do. If anything you don't understand, just ask me. I will do it fast because this time is small. Service time here in question मौजूद 3 4 1 2 4 3. Interval time हिना मौजूद 8, but you have to start अव्वल from dash बादे नुक्तुब 8. Remember this thing. मुमकिन all student will do this wrong. अव्वल dash starting at dash then 8. After that 13, 17, 19, 27. Okay. Arrival वक्त this 0. Anyone student calculator? Tell me. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 13 come. 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13 yani 21. Yes, 21. 21 plus 17 come. Calculator.
38.
38. 38 plus 19 come.
57.
57. 57 plus 27 come.
84. 84.
84. Okay. Now time service began. Arrival वक्त सिफर. Time service began starts 0. 0 plus talata yani talata. Talata hina 8 hina uktub 8. 8 hina service time arba yani 12. 12 hina 21 hina kabir yani 21. 21 hina service time wahid yani 22. 22 departure 22 and 38 kabir big value yani 38. 38 and 2 yani come. 38 plus 2 yani 40. 40 here, 57 here, greater number 57. 57 plus 4 is come on
61.
61. 61 here, 84 here, big number is 84. 84 and here 3. 84 plus 3 come
87. 88.
80, 88. Lala, 87. Okay, student, any student problem in this? No problem. Okay, now next, this table here. Yeah, student, I will speak on any small English Arabic or Aratul English. Tell me, because I will take some small Arabic, some small English. Tell me, no problem, same or all English? Because I don't have any problem. I will speak English. Tell me.
50-50.
50-50. Okay, then no problem. Okay, then clock, you have to start clock at 0, arrival time 0. Okay, so when you are at 0, then 0 yani arrival yani uktub D, uktub A, D yani 3, A yani 8, sagir yani come 3 8, uktub 3, 3 yani departure, no problem, bagi 8, A 8. So here uktub 8, 8 yani arrival. Arrival yani you have to uktub D, you have to uktub A. So D add dagiga 8, D yani come 12, uktub 12. And next arrival is 21. So 12 and 21, small number is 12. So when a small number 12 finish, 12 is departure, no problem. Remaining is 8, 21. So when next is 21, 21 yani arrival. 21 यानी अराइवल. सो इफ अराइवल लाजिम उक्तुब डी, लाजिम उक्तुब ए. सो इफ डी डी यानी कम एट दगीगा 21, डी यानी कम, टेल मी मोहम्मद, एनीवन?
22.
22. एंड ए यानी कम?
Arrival 38.
38. वेरी गुड. 22 38 यानी 22 स्मॉल. Here uktub 22, 22 yani departure, no problem for departure. Bagi yani yes, remaining yani yes, 838. Okay, so here 838, uktub hina 38, 38 yani arrival. If arrival, uktub departure and arrival. So departure yani 38, the departure yani 40,
40.
arrival yani 57. So 40 57, sagir yani 40, 40 is departure, departure no problem. Arrival bagi 57. Next yani 57, 57 yani arrival. Arrival yani you have to uktub departure, you have to uktub arrival. So departure at dagiga 57 is 61 and arrival is at 84. So 61 84, sagir yani 61, 61 yani departure, no problem for departure. Bagi arrival 84. Next yani 84, 84 yani again arrival. You have to uktub departure and you have to uktub tani arrival. So 84 departure yani maafi malum, arrival yani maafi malum. Okay, student, this understand or no?
Doctor,
Yes, clear. You need some practice to save.
A is meaning arrival and
Yes.
D is meaning departure.
Yes.
What about B?
What about P?
Yes.
Where is the P?
Oh, this is 8.
Ah, this is 8. Where is P? I don't know. Where is P? I don't return any P.
The first.
This one?
Yes.
This is 8.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Okay, this is 3. Okay, yes. I only return A and D. Only A. Rest is number, only numbers. Okay, now LQ. LQ yani this is meaning intezar waqt. Okay, waiting time. Okay, as I told you, here dash, oh sorry, 0 0 0 0 yani the customer dakil at 0, start at 0 0 0, no problem. Here also see 8 8 yani same. So this all no problem. So everywhere write 0. The meaning is customer dakhil and he don't intezar. That's why all sifar. Next, LST. LST I told you, whenever there is departure arrival, you have to write 1. Here write 1. In a departure arrival 1, departure arrival 1, departure arrival 1, in a departure arrival 1, departure arrival 1. And rest, the kullu bagi, you have to uktub 0, 0, 0. Understand? Finish. Recording. Stop.